Amakhosi asemmemezelile umqeqeshi wabo omusha ahead of the new season. Kaizer Chiefs have confirmed the appointment of Fernando da Cruz as their new head coach ahead of the 2026-2027 season. Kuthiwa-ke lo mqeqeshi-ke usayine yona-ke inkontileka ya-2 years plus an option for a further year. So menza kahle-ke bazokwazi-ke ukuthi ba-extende-ke yona-ke inkontileka yakhe by 1 more year after 2 years. So-ke lokhu bese sikwazi-ke already ukuthi nguyeke laphana uDa Cruz ozophatha-ke kodwa bese kulindwe yona-ke ukuthi iClub yenze yona-ke announcement, and-ke namakhosi fans were getting impatient because they believe ukuthi-ke kumele ngabe kudala-ke bayisutha out lento-ke yamqeqeshi because i-pre-season isizosondela-ke kumele-ke iqale kahle kahle ngaye-ke uJuly. So kuthiwa-ke lo mqeqeshi will be assisted by uMohamed Abbas, nguye-ke uzobe emsiza-ke laphana as i-assistant coach. So-ke lokhu kusho kona ukuthi amakhosi can move forward now, bakwazi-ke ukuthi ba-announce-ke ama-player movements ngoba sazi-ke ukuthi they are yet to announce ukuthi-ke which players are staying, imaphi-ke ahambayo ngoba sazi-ke ukuthi-ke more than 10 of them iy'nkontileka zabo ziyaphela-ke ngaye-ke uJune. So-ke lokhu-ke sekubanika yona-ke i-platform ukuthi bakwazi-ke ukuthi yabo bamemezeleke-ke ama-player movements in the upcoming days.